YouTube? Eric DIY with another great video review for you. Today we're going to review the EverLit Emergency Survival Kit 80-in-1 Molle Pouch Holster. Basically, I just wanted an emergency kit to have other than having the first aid kit, which you can see right next door. That's the Survive Wear First Aid Kit. We did a review on that. If you'd like to see the link to that review, you can look at it in the description below. But pretty much this fits perfectly on my Molle enabled backpacking backpack. And we're going to see what's inside of it and exactly why I got it. So Zach and I are packing up for our first ever overnight beach camping trip. And we're going to bring this emergency kit with us just in case. Not that we'll probably need it, but we like to have it. And as you can see, the Molle Straps let it clip onto the backpacking backpack very carefully and easily. So, and then it comes in a nice pouch by itself. Camouflage, nice style. And we're going to look inside of it as well as the bag itself. Alright, so we have the 80-in-1 survival kit here. First impressions, the bag is really good. It has the Molle Straps on the back. It has a clip here, which unveils emergency blankets. Emergency thermal blankets, nice to have in the kit. One modification I made right off the bat, and it's not a bad thing, is that it had glow stick. It had a one-time use glow stick. I just replaced it with a cheap Ozark Trail battery-powered glow stick. But the one that did come with it was fine. And the bag itself is very, very durable polyester. So let's look on the inside. It has two pouches. We're going to open up the first pouch first. I'm going to pull out things one at a time. The first pouch, it has cotton balls, good for fire starting and also obviously for medical. It also has bandages with an alcohol pad, medical tape, and Q-tips. Nice to have. Here's that. Hang on to those, please. Thank you. And then on the inside front flap, it just has tons of storage space, including a netting side to it. So that's actually really nice to see as well. In the second pouch, we have a lot more things. We have this thing in a carrier, and this is the survival knife. Has a nice spring action. It comes right out, and then you just push this thing back, and you can tuck it back in. Also in the second pocket, we have a paracord bracelet with a compass and emergency whistle. Nice thing to have, along with a scraper and fire starter. Zach, I'll let you hang on to that. Alright, we have another holster here. And this has a versatile all-in-one tool. It has some pliers. It also has an LED flashlight right there. You twist it on, it turns on. We also have various screwdrivers. Right here you have flathead, Phillips head, and also a little, what looks to be like just a really basic knife. So it's nice to see that there's a Leatherman all-purpose tool in there. Folds up really easy. It also comes with a keychain, so you can put it on your keys if you want to. Also in the second pocket, we have your LED flashlight, and it telescopes out and in. Just has an on-off button. And then this telescope, we're going to make it a shorter beam or wider beam. So, and as you can see, it also has SOS functionality. Second pocket also has a nice fire starter, magnesium fire starter with scraper. So if you don't want to use the paracord bracelet because it's too small, that might be your last defense of making a fire. You have this big fire steel right here. Very, very durable, nice handle on it. We also have in the secondary pocket a credit card tool. It has some screwdrivers, has a bottle opener, it has a hex wrench right there, has a little ruler right there, it also has a little bit of paracord right there. Also in the secondary pocket, they have a hand saw. Basically just have that go around a tree and just break it back and forth, and it should eventually break off small twigs and stuff. And then finally, they have a carabiner. That is a locking one, not meant for climbing though, but it's nice to have one of these. I have a bunch of these in my car for when we go camping. So overall, it's a nice emergency kit to have, and it has plenty of space to store even more stuff in there if you need it. The 80-in-1 EverLit Emergency Survival Kit. The EverLit Emergency Survival Kit 80-in-1 Molle Pouch Holster is a really good kit to have. It has a lot of the things that you would need in a survival emergency solution. It was actually tested by an Army veteran, so it's a good thing to have. Again, really highly recommend this. Can't hurt to have one of these. If you'd like to buy the EverLit Emergency Survival Kit 80-in-1 Molle Pouch Holster, please look for a link in the description below. We'll send you to Amazon to purchase your very own. Every purchase will help support the Eric DIY channel. We appreciate all your support. If you like this video and you want to see more, please give us a thumbs up and push that subscribe button below. as well as the bell notification icon, so that way you can be notified of future video releases from Eric DIY on YouTube. And as always, have a great day. As always, if you like this video, found it useful, please subscribe. And if you have a product that you would like reviewed, please contact Eric by emailing him at eric5150diy@gmail.com. Have a great day.